Traders, August 2nd, 2018, after the market closing, the report on ticker symbol BFCH. Remember, this is Zelman. You can follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and go to the site thetradingteacher.com for upcoming live trading courses. I reported on BFCH, I believe it was 2 days ago. I haven't reported on anything the last 2 days. Today I actually had a moment, so I've been on reporting. I've been reporting on things that I've been following and previously reported on. So feel free to take a look at my YouTube channel, look at the dates, the stock symbols, and follow through and see how well these stocks are behaving and my analysis and judgment of these particular stocks. So let's take it further. BFCH trailed down to about a half a penny today, but the buyers came back in. This has been time and time again around this level for a whole month now. Like I stated in the previous tutorial, if it breaks through 8 cents, breaks through 0.8 of a penny, closes above that, we can see here most likely break this high and even create an all-time new high above 2 cents. But until then, we'll wait and see. It seems like it's consolidating here. We have huge support over here. It seems like it's trying to create support over here. Every time it goes to a half a penny, buyers step in, try to push it back up. Right now, it's about 0.6 of a penny. Moving forward, we know Bitfrontier is planning to cancel a couple billion shares. I believe it was 12 billion, maybe 8 billion. Don't quote me on it. I'm pretty sure I stated that in the last tutorial as well. They're right now doing construction in their area that they have. I believe it's 1.3 acres of land that they're building to start their cryptocurrency business. Seems like it'll be lucrative. Take a look at it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Remember, follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. Visit my site, thetradingteacher.com. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel.